today. As trainers, we spend years developing relationships with our whales. This creates trust, allowing us to provide optimal healthcare, research, and quality of life. All of our whales take an active role in their own health and well-being through husbandry or medical behavior. One of the first medical behaviors they learn is called a booster vet. This allows our vet team to get a blood sample at least once a month. The whales will present us with the underside of their tail flukes. You can see Keith demonstrating this on stage. Another important healthcare metric is monitoring the whale's weight. They're able to slide up onto a giant killer whale-sized scale, lifting their tail flukes completely up and out of the water so we can get an accurate measurement. Our slide-out behavior is an excellent example of the purpose behind our training program. While it is visually stunning, it actually allows us to wear whales once a week. We can also ask the whales for powerful, high-energy behaviors, like reaches and jumps up and out of the water for exercise. In fact, all the behaviors you've seen today help keep our whales healthy. The overall health and well-being is the most important part of our job, and we achieve this through diet, exercise, lots of love, and of course, play. And our whales sure do love to play. We learn what they like and how they enjoy interacting with each other and with each one of us. Playtime is a great time for us to build our relationships with the whales, and we love sharing these relationships and enrichment with them, as well as with all of you. Playtime is incredibly fun for everyone involved. But for the killer whale, that's how they learn and practice their hunting skills and technique. They'll hunt pretty much anything, from fish to marine mammals, to great white sharks, to even the largest animal on Earth, the blue whale. The blue whale is 5 times longer and 50 times heavier than a killer whale. So, how does a whale this size take on a whale that size? Skill and teamwork allow them to hunt the blue whale as well as any other types of prey. Killer whales all over the world develop unique hunting techniques to catch the prey.
देखने के